First thing I'm going to do is fix these overhead garage door springs. I don't know how well you can see that one there. This door's never really been adjusted right. The springs are under tension, so the door doesn't really hold itself up. And last time I was up, we tried to adjust it. I brought up the dowels to adjust the springs, and I don't know how well you can see, but the board that holds the spring is coming undone because they just put it in with vinyl coated sinkers. So it looks like here, you probably see this one. This one's the same thing. You see how it's coming loose from the wall? So that's kind of redonkulous. I'm going to drive some lag bolts into there, and then, wow, it's super sketchy. And then I'm going to adjust the tension in the springs and see if I can't do it without breaking some fingers. So hang tight, let me throw a ladder up there and we'll get a better look. Take a quick look at what we're dealing with. Let's see if I can do this without undoing the tension of the spring. Sketchy. Yeah. That's awesome. Look at that one's coming loose too. Damn, man. Not cool. Unacceptable building standards. Be right back. saga. I lag bolted the header 2x6 that supports that carrier bearing there for the spring. Shot garage door lube and all the hinges and all the wheels. This one stays up all on its own for the last, I don't know, couple of years. I've been using that to hold it up because, you know, things don't get quite the priority. Of course, I picked the most difficult door first, this big one. But the other ones went much easier. I don't know if you can see the lag bolts. I bolted there, sprayed them out, and all is good in the hood. Oh, they're so nice and quiet. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 turns on there. 9 1/4 turns. I think that's kind of heavy, but on the other hand, we're not using a garage door opener for this one. If this was on a garage door opener, you wouldn't need it that heavy, or that tightly wound. But it is what it is, where it is. It's perfect. It's just right. All right. What's next? Sorry to make you dizzy. What's next?